Okay, guys, if you have been trading and you have not been getting it right, then definitely you have been doing it wrongly. Okay, you have not been doing it in a right way. You have been taking a wrong approach towards it. Okay, in case you don't know, if you don't have the right knowledge, or probably you have the right knowledge and you are not implementing them very well, then definitely you are most likely to get it wrong. Okay, what do I mean by you getting it wrong? If your losses is more than your profits, like I've always been telling you, there is no trading strategy that is 100% perfect. But if you have a trading strategy or a trading tool that is giving you an opportunity to earn about 70% of every trading activities you are carrying out, then definitely you are good to go, because if you should do your plus and minus together, you will be on the profit level at the end of the day. So these are some of the things we will be checking out in this video. So if you want to make profitable trades from today, if you want to be making profitable trades from today, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of what you need to do before you go into any trade. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me personally via my WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number will be there in the description box below this video. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So guys, quickly, let's jump into what we have right here. Okay. So guys, like I have told you, there are some things you need to watch out for, and these are things that I'm going to bring up right here in this video. Okay, let's check out these three things which are very, very important. Like I've always been telling you guys, your knowledge, your basic knowledge about the assets you want to trade or about the Forex market is very, very important. Apart from you having a very good trading tool, you still need that small trade. I mean, at least you should have the basic knowledge about trading. Okay, so this will help you to be able to navigate your way around the charts and also understand a bit, I mean, to some extent, the charts. Okay, so that you will know what is happening on the charts. You will be able to have a say or to communicate with your charts. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so the second thing which you need right here is you having a very good trading tool that can make your analysis simplified. Okay, and of course, these three things that I'm about to mention are now very, very important in you doing your analysis. Okay, your trend is very, very important, and in short, that is the most important part. Okay, of everything. Your trend is very, very important, guys. And of course, the next thing which I believe are very I mean, that is very important is the resistance. Okay, you should be able to identify your resistance zone, and of course, you should also be able to identify your support zones. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So if you are able to put all these together, then definitely you will make the market successfully. Okay, so these three things are very important in doing your analysis, apart from you having your basic knowledge of the chart and also you are having a right trading tool. Your trading tool will help you to be able to identify these three things. Okay, so just like I have been telling you guys, the trend is the most important part. Okay, the resistance and support zones are those areas where the the markets usually have issues in breaking. Okay, they play around there most of the time before they move on. Okay, for instance, at the top right here, we usually have a lot of resistance and support zone on the charts. Most of us don't know this, but we have the weak ones and we have the strong ones. But at the top right here is the strong one for a resistance zone, and down here is a strong one for a support zones, okay? And we also have another support region around here too, okay? So all these are very, very important. Once you are able to identify all these, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully. Once the market gets to the resistance zone and you see it playing around like this, it means that the market is trying to see if it will break out above the resistance zone to continue buying, or probably it changed the direction of the market into a downtrend, okay? And that is why, in most cases, once it is happening like that, I usually wait for the breakouts before I decide where to go. Okay, either it breaks out above or probably it breaks out below this. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to the support region, and we're going to put all these into practice right now. Okay, so let's see this. This was on downtrend before and it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there. So it gave us an uptrend signal. Like I said, your trading tool can also help you to simplify your analysis sometimes. Okay, if you have a good trading tool, here is a good trading tool that I've been using for a while. It is called 3M. So it gave me an uptrend signal right from here and even buy signal. So it means that this is a good trade because it is coming from the support zone and it has not been able to break out from the support region. I just need to reduce my risk by applying stop loss to it. Okay, I need to use a reasonable risk management formula here. Okay, so that is it. So you can see you can easily go for a buy right from here and it's bought till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, it was unable to break out above here also, and of course it's changed the direction of the trend into a downtrend right here. You can see this is red now, so it shows that the market is on downtrend, and of course give us sell signal and more sell signals around there, and of course it's got to this region. You can see it sold till it got to this region and it is still selling, even though it wanted to go back into an uptrend, but it is coming back to try out the support zone again. If it breaks out below this, it will keep on selling. Okay, so that is how it happens generally if you truly understand how it works. Let's check out more assets if you are still doubting this. Okay, this is another asset. You can see, sorry, let me bring this together. When this got to the support zone, it played around here for a while. It was unable to break out from there. So it gave us an uptrend signal. And of course, it started buying right from there. Okay, like I said, if it is not breaking out below the support zone, then it should change the direction of the trend. And that was what happened around here. And of course, guys, normally, even without the trading tool, you should know that, okay, if it's not breaking out from here, then definitely it will change the direction of the trend. And with the way it is playing around here and it is not breaking out from there, you can easily place your buy order and see if it will go up and put your stop loss to reduce the risk. And of course, it went up and of course bought for us. That's so amazing, guys. And it got to this resistance zone, so sold for a while, went back up again to get to the same resistance zone, was unable to break out fully from the resistance zone. So it went back into a downtrend and broke out from this particular page around here. And of course, so this is still going to sell more, guys. It is still going to sell more. So we expect it to get to this region. You can see how easy it is if you have the right trading tools, and of course, if you have the all these things together. Let's see more, guys. Let's see more. This is another one, guys. It was an uptrend from the support zone, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it was more of an uptrend than a downtrend. And it got to this resistance zone just where we have seen it. And of course, guys, like I said earlier on, if it's not breaking out from this resistance zone, then definitely it should change the direction of the trend. So it changed the direction of the trend, and this indicator gave us a downtrend signal, and of course the sell signal around there. You can see it kept on selling more sell signals, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, even though it is at a major support zone right now. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will change the direction again into an uptrend. So you should watch out for that. In case it does not break out from this support zone, then it's going to change the direction into an uptrend, guys. So that is how it works. So guys, like I have said, it is as simple as that. Okay, once you are able to put all these three things together, then definitely you will be having profitable trades on daily basis. So this is a way of trading the market by playing the resistance, support, and trend game. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow and like this video right now. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.